At this stage of your contract, you've been in your due diligence period, doing your inspections, reviewing your seller disclosures, and making sure your loan is moving forward. Now, the question becomes, what if something comes up? If the inspection reveals small or minor things, it's important to not make a big deal out of every little thing. Asking for too many small repairs may create some tension with the seller and in some cases may even delay the closing. But if a larger issue comes up, something related to safety or a costly repair like a leaking roof, foundation concerns, plumbing issues, or major system failures, then it's time to make a strategic decision. You typically have a few options. Ask the seller to make the repairs, negotiate a price reduction, or request a credit towards your closing costs. What you choose depends on your loan, your goals, and the market conditions. In a seller's market where demand is high and the inventory is low, the sellers have the upper hand. If a major issue is discovered, the seller may not be willing to renegotiate because they have a lot of other buyers willing to move forward as is. If you truly want the home, it may make sense for you to decide to make some of those repairs yourself. In a buyer's market, the dynamic shifts. With more inventory and fewer buyers, you have more leverage. Sellers are often open to negotiating repairs, credits, or price adjustments in order to keep the deal together. In an ideal scenario, the seller has already completed the pre-listing inspections and has already addressed all the major concerns before even going to market. This creates transparency, ensures a smoother transactions, and avoids having surprises down the road. It also helps from the financing standpoint. Depending on your loan type, your lender may require certain repairs, what we call lender required repairs, to be completed before they will fund the loan. This is something we guide you through ahead of time so there are no surprises and your earnest money is protected. At the Council Real Estate Group, we help you evaluate what truly matters, what's negotiable, and what's worth walking away from so you can make smart and confident decisions. Once the inspections are complete, disclosures are reviewed, and all the repairs are negotiated, you are getting very close to the finish line. And that means one thing, you're almost there getting the keys to your new home.